day many have been anticipating for a while now. President Joe Biden's son, Hunter Biden, appeared in court today in Independence County. Welcome to K8 News at 5. I'm Diana Davis. Hunter is asking to lower the amount he gives in monthly child support to London Roberts of Independence County. This all comes after Circuit Judge Holly Meyer ordered both parties to appear in person. Our Hayden Savage joins us live from the courthouse in Batesville, where this all went down today. And Hayden, what was discussed in court?
Yeah, hey, good evening, Diana. We were in the courtroom today, this morning actually, for about an hour and a half. But the big piece from today's hearing was both parties wanting different pieces of information from each other. Roberts and Biden's legal team had already asked each other for that information, but both parties claimed some of it wasn't clear enough.
I'm here for the biggest event that I've seen in Batesville, Arkansas, and I'm really excited to see Hunter Biden.
Security at an all-time high as President Joe Biden's son Hunter appeared in court today. As the 9 o'clock hearing time approached, the crowd near the Independence County Courthouse began to grow, with people wanting to get a glimpse of the president's son.
It's kind of a historical thing to be taking place here in little Batesville, Arkansas, so I thought I'd just kind of come down and be a witness for whatever may or may not happen today.
This case surrounds Hunter Biden and Independence County resident London Roberts' child, Navy. Biden was revealed to be the father of the child after a paternity test a few years back. He's now asking for lower child support payments to Roberts, which doesn't set well with some.
I think it's almost the law in our country that you have to provide, and even if you don't take on the responsibility of raising a child, you still have certain responsibilities.
Discovery was a major part of today's hearing. Roberts' attorney wanted more specific information from Biden on the make and model of the vehicle he's been driving the last 5 years. He also wanted prices for art that Biden had purchased, all investments in the last 5 years, and money received from the president, including much more. Biden's attorneys wanted some of the same things from Roberts' attorneys. Both parties are required to have clear answers to the information requests. Presiding Judge Holly Meyer was straight with both parties, saying that she wanted the proceedings to be finished as quick as possible. Scott Spears was a lawyer that watched today's proceedings. He said he was fond of how the judge treated both sides.
Articulate, smart, and insightful, gave both sides a fair amount of latitude, was fair and reasonable. It was the best judge that they could have had for either side.
Spears added that time frames on cases like this are longer than others due to the fact that parts are constantly moving.
Obviously, two regular people, this case would not have gone on as long. Obviously, a lot of implications, economic, political, everyone kind of reads between the lines.
After the court proceedings, Biden and his team were quickly taken away from the courthouse. Now, Sheriff Sean Stevens said no one was booked into the detention center that was correlated with Hunter Biden's visit to Independence County today. Now, dates were given at today's hearing. The pre-trial of this case will take place on May 23rd. Deposition will take place through June 13th through the 16th at 9 a.m. in Little Rock, and the trial is slated for July 24th. Live in Batesville, Hayden Savage, K8 News.
All right, Hayden, thank you for that report.